What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. We're working on Makhi's GTI there. I'm actually here at 4SeasonTuning for his trans problem. Long story short, flywheel broke. You can see those 4 spots right there. It broke. So here goes the new one. And we went ahead and got a new trans because when that seal broke, it sheared off the oil seal. So this came apart and made all the oil leak out of the trans. So just went in and got him a new trans, and you can see everything right here. They got it out pretty quick. And he also had bad rear main seal. That's common on these cars, so we're upgrading to the billet seal, the Iabed billet seal on here. So looks like his car will be ready today. It's been about 2 weeks. I was going back and forth about getting this new trans. Came from a Mark 6 with just about 84,000 miles. So looks pretty good. We're going to do that, and we should have everything going. So we just got the Iabed seal in and put a new oil seal on the trans too. So everything's getting ready to go back in. He'll be about set. All right, you guys, everything's back together. We got the car back. My son said the car is running better than before. I think the bad rear main seal was creating a vacuum leak and was making it run funny sometimes. I'm glad I brought it to 4Season. He's always done some good work for me. And I did shop around, but most other shops were gonna charge me about double. I think a lot of other tuner shops are charging like what the dealer would charge nowadays. So I've always stuck with 4SeasonTuning when I need to go to a shop. All right, get ready for some big changes with the channel and the Mark II TT in the next video. And you're gonna see me and my son go head to head, the Mark V GTI against the Mark II TT. See you guys in the next video.